Today we are going to start from the chapter 8 latitude and longitude, class 5th, chapter SST, chapter 8 latitude and longitude. In this chapter we study about the globe. A globe is a three-dimensional shape model of the earth. We know that the word globe is derived from the Latin word globus, the meaning round shape. It represents the geographical features of the earth like your ocean, continents and your countries. Okay, to locate place on the globe we need to certain points reference. They are imaginary lines called the parallel or the latitude, the meridian or the longitude. Okay, so earth rotates on the imaginary line on its line called axis. Its end points are called the pole. The north pole lie on the top of the axis and the south pole lie in the bottom. The equator is the imaginary line that runs through the center of the earth from the east to west. So what is latitude? The latitude or the parallel are the imaginary line on the globe running from the east to west equator in the longest parallel that divides the earth into the north hemisphere towards the north equator and the south hemisphere towards the south of the equator. All the other latitude are parallel to the equator. Latitude are measured in the degree. Each degree divided into the 60 part called the minutes, and each minute is divided into 60 seconds. And there are 90 latitudes in the northern hemisphere, and there are 90 latitudes in the northern hemisphere, 90 latitudes in the southern hemisphere. Hence, there are 181 latitude, includes the equator. So, equator is the longest latitude marked as 0 degree. Okay, the latitude above the below the equator marked from the 0 to 90 with the north and south S and N, capital S and N according to the location. What are the features of latitude? All latitudes are complete circle except the pole. There are points. They are points. As they move towards the equator, towards the pole, the latitude decrease. All the latitude and equidistant from each other. No latitudes touch or cross the other latitude. Important lines of latitude. There are 4 important or the special lines of the latitude apart from the equator. The Tropic of Cancer 23 half degree north, Tropic of Capricorn 23 half degree south, the Arctic Circle 66 half degree north, and the Antarctic Circle 66 half degree south. Okay, so in this diagram we can at the diagram along you can locate this important line of the latitude. Okay, so the longitude or the meridian are the imaginary line that found run on the north pole and to the south pole. Since they are joined, two parallel line of the longitude are all semicircle. They are used to locate the place in the east to west. Okay, so features of longitude. All longitude are the same length. Distance between the longitude and decreases the move from the equator towards the poles. Distance between the two equators longitude is maximum at the equator. Longitudes called the latitude at a right angle. All the longitudes are at the distance of 1 degree to each other. The line of longitude passes through the place called the Greenwich. Okay, the degree, there are 180 longitude towards the east of the prime meridian and 180 towards the west of the prime meridian. There are 360 meridian in all. Meridian of 180 degree east and the west in the same line are called the international deadline. So what are grid? Grid which is a network of line intersecting latitude and longitude. It help to locate the place on the globe known its position from the latitude longitude. For example, Delhi is lie in 28.30 degree north latitude and 77.12 degree east longitude. The point where the latitude and the longitude intersect, that Delhi is located. Okay, so next one is your question answer. In this questions you can write from this. Okay, take the correct answer. You can easily it can easily visible in your mobile screen. You can write from here. Okay, so match the following also. Okay, next one is the true false. Okay, then next one is the true false. There are so many true. Next one is the answer the following. Okay, so in the answer the following, what does the globe represent? The globe represents the geographical features of the earth. Difference between latitude and longitude you can easily find in your page number 71 and 72. Okay, you can write the features of latitude and longitude also. Okay, define the term equator. What is define the term equator? The term equator is what you can write. Equator is the longest latitude mark as 0. Okay, and you can also write the some 2 to 3 line about the equator imaginary line that run through the center of the earth, okay, east to west. Okay, in the page number 71 you can write. Okay, what is grid? Grid is a network of line intersecting latitude and longitude in page number 73. Okay, how does the grid helps locating place? You can write the example of Delhi that helps to how the grid helps to locating the place like Delhi. Okay, means that in example is there in page number 73. Okay,